Hello everyone, this is Derek from Gestello High Tech Solution. Welcome to UniCuttOffs. This is a software that helps senior high schools graduates in Ghana to find out which universities and courses they qualify for based on their WASSCE results. So to check for the universities and courses or programs you qualify for, you just select or click on check programs. So step 1, this allows you to enter your details. So you enter your name and your phone number. Then you enter your phone number. When you are done, then you click on or you select next. So step 2 allow you to enter your grades. So we have core subjects and elective subjects. So English, let's select A, mathematics A, integrated science B, social studies B2. So let's select our electives. Okay, elective subjects, chemistry, you select the grade for chemistry, you select biology, select the grade for biology, select physics, select the grade for physics, select elective maths, select the grade for elective maths. When you are done, then you click on next. Okay, the step 3 allow you to review your details. So after reviewing your details, you then scroll down to select your payment gateway. So under the payment gateway, we have Paystack and Haptel. So let's select either any of them. So I'm selecting Haptel. So after selecting your payment gateway, then you click on or you select check programs. Okay, this will take you to a place where they will ask you to pay, or a page where they will ask you to pay an amount of 3 Ghana cedis before you can check your programs and courses you qualify for based on your results you provided. So we are paying with our mobile money. We are paying using mobile money. If you want to pay with your bank card, you select the bank card, or your GH QR code, you select your GH QR code. So we are paying with mobile money, so let's select mobile money. So you enter your mobile money number. So let me enter my mobile money number 0553679665. Then you make sure you select your service provider. So we are using MTN mobile money. So if you are using Telecel, you select Telecel. If you are using Airtel to go, you select Airtel to go or AT money. And when you are using Telecel cash, you select Telecel cash. So now we are using MTN number, so you select MTN mobile money. Then you select pay. Okay, you wait for some seconds, you receive an OTP code. You receive an OTP code. A 4-digit code will be sent to you on your number on the number you provided. So you wait for a while, you receive the message. Okay, our code is in. So 2739. Then you click on verify. So you wait a while, you receive an authorized payment on your phone that allow you to enter your Momo pin, your mobile money pin, to confirm or to approve the transaction of 3 Ghana cedis. So you enter your Momo pin on your phone, and you after that, then you select one to approve your transaction. When you've done approving the prompts, or when you finish approving the payments, then you click on check status. So after clicking on check status, you just move forward and click on or select continue. Okay, this will bring you to your programs and universities or courses you qualify for. So eligible programs. So you just scroll down to find out the programs you qualify for and the universities you qualify for. So you see them here. You see, based on my results, media and communication studies degree. You see the cutoff points and you see the university. You see Bachelor of Arts Administration. You see the cutoff points and you see the university name there. So you can scroll down to find out the courses you can offer. So you can also decide to download the report or generate the report. So you just click on generate report, then you just open it. To download it, then you just open it, and you will see it over here, over here, over here. So you see the programs and the universities and their cutoff points. So this will allow you to know the courses you can offer. This will help you to get or to know the courses and universities you can apply for. So that's how you check the universities and courses you qualify for based on your WASSCE results. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos on Gestelo iTech solution. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.